I think that transportation is about to change radically within the next 5 to 10 years. What I'm talking about is a combination of two things: electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or eVTOLs for short, which basically take off vertically like helicopters, and then with a fixed wing, they fly like an airplane. But they can land without a runway, meaning they can land on something the size of a helicopter pad or even smaller. That, paired with a recent charging breakthrough by a company called BYD, allows electric vehicles, like cars, to charge from 0 to 100% in minutes, the same way you would if you stopped at a gas station. That breakthrough is going to A, get rid of range anxiety for electric vehicles, which could be huge, and then B, this technology will be built into these eVTOLs, meaning that let's say you have a short flight from normally you take an airplane, and that would be you go up, you come down, it's a short flight. This is you go to something the size of a helicopter pad, don't need a runway or an airport, so they can land anywhere you have that kind of helicopter pad type space, and you get in, you fly halfway to your destination, you land real quick vertically, charge up because the charging times are way reduced, and then you get back in the sky and finish the second leg of your journey. Let's say it's 200 miles. Let's say it's 250 miles. Instead of taking an airplane like you used to, you're going to hop in one of these eVTOLs, and it's going to take you to essentially a vertiport, a airport, but instead of a runway, it's a bunch of landing pads. This is going to revolutionize the way we travel. Society is going to travel in 3 dimensions. You're going to see the real rise of flying cars. Now, how would you capitalize on this? The best way right now would be to A, invest in BYD, the company making the batteries and that charging breakthrough, and then B, there are 3 big players I see in this space: Joby Aviation in the US, Archer Aviation in the US, and Vertical Aerospace in Europe. Those ones are going to be your blue chip kind of stocks. Now, keep in mind, this is not investing advice or financial advice. Don't listen to things that people on the internet say. But those stocks, I anticipate, will rise in value as that part of the transportation sector comes to life. So start thinking about this sci-fi future of flying cars because it's coming faster than you think.